Are you still using the default crosshair color in Apex Legends? That might be the reason you're missing shots. In this video, I'll show you a hidden setting that can make your crosshair stand out, improve target tracking, and potentially help you land more shots instantly. Hey Legends, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to see your crosshair because it blends into the environment, especially during intense fights, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to change your crosshair color in Apex Legends and why this simple setting can make a huge difference in your gameplay. First, launch Apex Legends and head over to the main menu. From there, open the Settings menu. Next, select the Gameplay tab. Scroll down until you find the reticle settings. A lot of players don't realize that Apex Legends allows you to fully customize your crosshair color using RGB values. Here, you can adjust the red, green, and blue sliders to create a color that works best for you. For example, I'm using a bright cyan color, as you can see on the screen right now. This color is extremely effective because it remains visible across most maps and environments, whether you're fighting in bright areas or dark interiors. You can also experiment with neon green, bright yellow, magenta, or any custom color that feels comfortable for your eyes. Once you've found your perfect color, click Apply and jump into the firing range. Immediately, you'll notice that your crosshair becomes much easier to see while aiming at targets. This can help improve target tracking, increase focus during gunfights, and make your aim feel more consistent. Now, let's be realistic. Changing your crosshair color won't magically turn you into an Apex Predator overnight. However, visibility plays a huge role in aiming performance. Many high-level and competitive players use custom crosshair colors specifically to reduce distractions and improve target acquisition. And after testing several different colors myself, I can definitely feel the difference during fast-paced fights. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Apex Legends tips, settings guides, and update videos. Also, let me know in the comments, what crosshair color are you currently using in Apex Legends? Are you Team Green, Team Cyan, Team Red, or do you have your own custom setup? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck in the Outlands, Legends.
Alright, this is dream within a dream stuff. Whoa, they just died. I guess that was the last one.
Nice kill, compadre.
Alright, frag out.
Over there looks fun.
Drone stuck.
Well, check it out.
Alright, enemy down.
That one's out for the count.
Enemy killed. I took care of it, don't worry.
Reloading. Not getting back up from that. Faster, faster, faster.
Open fire. Broken enemy shield.
45 seconds.
Come on, and they're hitting me.
Extra boost. Woohoo!
Enemy.
You like cutting it. Hitting the eject button. Others have been here. I'm down.
Bamboozles for the fools. That was better in my mind. Using the decoy escape. 10 seconds. The ring is basically knocking on the door. Enemy shield cracked. Ring's moving. Mirage here to save the day.
Faster, faster, faster. That one's out for the count. You're trapped in
Downed an enemy.
They're not getting back up from that. New shield. They're shooting at us. Down one. Extra boost. Go.
But don't worry.
Charlie.
Enemy shield cracked.
Heads up. We are not